Question 16. The curve y equals 3x squared minus 4x passes through the point P, 1, minus 1. We need the equation of the tangent to the curve at P in the form ax plus by equals c. The gradient of a curve comes from its derivative. Differentiating. The derivative of 3x squared is 6x, and the derivative of minus 4x is minus 4. So dy by dx is 6x minus 4. At P, x is 1. So the gradient m is 6 times 1 minus 4, which is 2. That's the slope of the tangent line, touching the curve at P. The tangent is a straight line through P with gradient 2. Using y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, y minus minus 1 equals 2 times x minus 1. So y plus 1 equals 2x minus 2. Rearranging into the required form, y equals 2x minus 3, which we write as 2x minus y equals 3. Well done. That's question 16 complete.